Have you ever wondered why your lip care routine isn't giving you the glow you deserve? What if I told you that your lips might need more than just hydration? They might need a boost from the energy centers in your body known as chakras. Stick with me to learn how the power of essential oils can help unblock your energy and manifest your best self with every application. Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome to the channel where we bring together holistic beauty, self-care, and spiritual healing. Today, I'm so excited to introduce you to AJ's EO Infusions Lip Butter Scrub, a lip care product that's not only effective but works in harmony with your chakras, boosting your energy and confidence. By using essential oils that correspond to each of your energy centers, we're going to help you balance your chakras while giving your lips the love and nourishment they need. Let's get into how each oil in this scrub will elevate your lip care and your spiritual journey. First, let's break down the chakras and how each one can be nourished through the power of essential oils. Root chakra, the base of the spine. This is all about stability and confidence. If you're feeling insecure or lacking self-assurance, you'll want to nourish the chakra with frankincense oil, which helps you ground yourself and build inner strength. Sacral chakra, the lower abdomen. This chakra governs your creativity and emotional balance. If you're feeling creatively blocked or emotionally drained, use patchouli and orange oil to reawaken joy, pleasure, and passion. Solar plexus chakra, the stomach area. The solar plexus governs your personal power and success. Lemongrass oil works wonders here, boosting your self-confidence and empowering you to take control of your life. Heart chakra, the chest area. For emotional healing and compassion, lavender oil is your best friend. It promotes emotional balance and calm, helping you open your heart and align with love. Throat chakra, the neck area. Struggling with communication. Lavender and peppermint oils support your throat chakra, allowing your voice to come through clearly and authentically. Third eye chakra, your forehead. If you're feeling stressed or disconnected, sandalwood and mandarin oils help open your third eye, enhancing your intuition and clearing mental fog. Crown chakra, the top of your head. For spiritual connection and enlightenment, frankincense and saffron oils are powerful allies in connecting to higher consciousness and manifesting your desires. Now that you understand how these oils align with your chakras, let's talk about how to use the AJ's EO Infusions Lip Butter Scrub to manifest your best self. Step 1. Take a small amount of the scrub and apply it directly to your lips. Step 2. As you massage it into your lips, visualize the energy of each essential oil opening and healing your chakras. Imagine the frankincense oil strengthening your root chakra, while the patchouli and orange oils bring joy to your sacral chakra. Step 3. Let the scrub soak in overnight, or leave it on while you go about your day. Pro tip. Use the scrub before bed as part of your nightly self-care ritual to release any energy blocks and wake up to lips that are nourished, hydrated, and in balance with your energy system. Using AJ's EO Infusions Lip Butter Scrub isn't just about lip care, it's about balancing your chakras and allowing your body's energy to flow freely. When your chakras are blocked, you may notice you're not showing up fully in life. whether that's in your self-confidence, creativity, or even how you communicate. Essential oils are a natural way to enhance and balance these energy centers, which in turn helps you manifest your dreams and show up more fully in your day-to-day life. The scrub is an easy, effective tool to get you there. Ready to start aligning your energy while caring for your lips? Head over to ajcoinfusions.com and grab your AJ's EO Infusions Lip Butter Scrub today. Let the natural power of essential oils guide you to clearer communication, more creativity, and greater personal strength. Your lips and your energy will thank you. Thank you so much for watching today. If you loved learning about how chakra healing and essential oils can transform your lip care, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more holistic beauty tips. Remember, self-care isn't just about your body. It's about your energy, your mindset, and your spirit. Start today and take your self-care routine to the next level. Until next time, stay glowing, stay balanced, and always stay empowered.